also known as the red planet. Mars is the second smallest planet in our solar system. It is about half the size of Earth and is 13,300 miles around. Mars is 141,600,000 miles from the Sun. The time it takes Mars to make one rotation is 1.03 Earth days. It takes about 687 days for Mars to go around the Sun. The surface temperature of Mars reaches as high as 70 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer and as low as -225 Fahrenheit at its poles. The atmosphere of Mars is not similar to Earth's atmosphere. It contains 95% carbon dioxide, 3% nitrogen, 1.6 argon, and the rest is very small amounts of oxygen, water vapor, and other gases. Mars' surface is dotted with impact craters. It's dry, barren wasteland. It has old volcanoes. The surface is covered by a fine layer of dust. Mars has two very small moons. They are much smaller than Earth's moon. The most famous defining feature of Mars is its red surface. Mars has a large number of craters as well as old volcanoes, and a canyon that is much larger than Earth's Grand Canyon. Interesting facts. Mars has polar ice caps at its north and south poles, just like Earth's. Olympic Mons on Mars is the largest mountain in our solar system. It is 3 times higher than Mount Everest, the highest mountain on Earth. There have been a number of Mars rovers that have successfully visited Mars. These are robots that gather samples of and recorded scientific data for scientists today. In 2008, scientists found a meteor on Antarctica. They believe it came from Mars. I believe it came from Mars because Mars is the last inner planet and it's right next to the asteroid belt, and so it probably hit Mars. And since Earth is right in front of it, it probably went to Earth. This is a picture of Mars from outside of space. This is Olympic Mons, the highest mountain in our solar system. This is another picture of Mars, and here you can see the canyon. Right here is the rover. That's the real rover on a picture they think it would look like on Mars. And then that's a picture that the rover took of its dusty, rocky area. This is how I made my model. First, I got a foam ball, and we cut it in half, and then we put toothpicks and with Twizzlers on it and stuck it in, and it was like all different ways and over each other and under to make it represent the rocky surface. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Okay, so Madison, you picked 2 people to give a compliment and then 2 to tell you something that they learned from your presentation.
Anna?
I'd tell you use candy.
Thank you. Jenna?
I liked that you put all those glitter little designs on it.
Thank you. Yeah, and
I didn't know that that there was actually a mountain 3 times as high as Mount Everest.
Yeah.
And one more. Lily?
I didn't know how there was a canyon bigger than the Grand Canyon because I've gone there and the canyon's pretty big.
Well, that's great. Good job.